All right, squash lovers, today we're turning this humble butternut squash into the creamiest, dreamiest soup that'll make your taste buds sing. And guess what? It's not just delicious. It's packed with nutrients that'll make your body cheer you from the inside. Plus, stick around for the secret ingredient that takes the soup from good to, oh my, shut your mouth amazing. Let's get cooking. Before we dive in, did you know that butternut squash is more than just a pretty face? It's low calorie, hydrating, and packed with vitamin A for glowing skin and sharp vision. Oh, and blending it with healthy fats, game changer for nutrient absorption. All right, enough nerdy food talk. On to the soup. Here's what you'll need to turn that squash into liquid gold. 2 tablespoons of Smart Balance, our healthy butter alternative. 1 small onion chopped, because all great soups start with onions. 1 stalk of celery. Fun fact, celery is like the soup whisperer, bringing all the flavors together. 1 medium carrot chopped. Did you know carrots are great for your immune system? Your soup is now your health buddy. 2 medium potatoes cubed. These make your soup creamy without needing heavy cream. 1 medium butternut squash, peeled, seeded, and cubed. The star of the show, 1 container of vegetable broth. It's like the stage that lets all the veggies shine. And of course, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. First up, melt 2 tablespoons of Smart Balance in a pot over medium heat. That sizzle, that's the sound of greatness, making its entrance. Now, toss in your chopped onion, celery, carrot, potatoes, and squash. Let them cook until lightly browned, about 5 minutes, or until your kitchen starts smelling like heaven. Next, pour in enough vegetable broth to cover the veggies. Bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low, pop on the lid, and let it simmer. This is where the magic happens. All right, after 40 minutes of simmering, your veggies should be fork tender and ready to blend. And here's where the soup reaches its final form. Blend it until silky smooth, and I mean silky. This soup should be so velvety, you'll want to wrap yourself in it like a blanket. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. And don't be shy. This is your soup, your rules. Oh, and here's the secret ingredient that'll blow your mind. Roasted pumpkin seeds. Not only do they add the perfect crunch, but they're also packed with zinc, which is amazing for your immune system. Bonus points for making the soup look Instagram worthy. This is comfort in a bowl. And the best part, it's vegan, healthy, and ridiculously easy to make. So let's recap. Butternut squash keeps you hydrated and gives you a glow up with all that vitamin A. Carrots and celery boost your immune system. Potatoes make it creamy without the guilt. And roasted pumpkin seeds, crunchy little zinc-packed powerhouses. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success. Now, go make this soup and don't forget to tag me in your pics.